Hi, Two Plant Docs fans. This is Dr. Kaylin here with a little tutorial of how to use bar shampoo. Well, we all probably grew up using something like this, a nice little bottle of shampoo. I'm going to move quickly so that nobody sees the brand. And we're used to how to do that. But when you're faced with something like this, bar shampoo, which can last up to between 3 and 6 bottles of the regular shampoo because you really don't use much of it, and it has no plastic associated, and it's all natural, very few ingredients. You still might be thinking, but I don't know how to use that. So here I am to show you how to use it. Okay, the first thing you're going to want to do is get your hair wet. Just like you would when you were taking a shower at any other time. Now the next step is you take your bar shampoo and you can do one of two things. You can rub it between your hands until you get a nice lather and then use the lather in your hair, or you can take the bar, get it wet, and rub it on your head a couple times. You'll see it start to soap up a little bit. And you'll take your hands, you can use two, you're not holding the camera, and rub it in just like you would any other shampoo. Now, if you have long hair, which I don't, you probably already know you just really want to rub shampoo into the roots of your hair. The ends of your hair really don't need to be washed so much, usually, depending on what you do for a living. You just rub it in. You can let it sit if you would like. If you use one of our hemp-tress shampoos, you might want to let it sit just so it can do its work. And then when you're ready, you just rinse. All right, now, you might be wondering, what if I want to use conditioner? Well, you can actually use our hemp-infused lotion bar for conditioner. I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, here's our hemp-infused lotion bar. You can take it just like you did with, or I did with the shampoo, rub it over your hair. And again, if you have longer hair, you probably know that you really just need to condition everything but your scalp. If your scalp has its oils, it's usually fine. Rub it over your hair, and then just rub it through. Need a deep condition, you might want to leave it longer. Now you want to do this with warm water because I'm going to rinse in a second. Don't do this with cold water. The whole idea is the warm water will sort of make the butters in the bar kind of melt through your hair and the excess will run off. So when you're happy with it, you just rinse. And you're done. Bar shampoo, bar conditioner, zero plastic, all natural, simple ingredients, and handmade.